Okay, good morning. Back home after this trip on the last video. Today we're going back to work on that bedroom project. Let's get into it. Family happy to be back home too. Hello. It's gonna get hot, I can feel it. Okay, we were talking yesterday about filling those gaps, so I'll show you what I got. And that's between the insulation sheets. Let's have a look. Okay, this is what I got here. So I got 2 rolls actually, I don't know why, but that's what we're gonna use. And it's got like a aluminium finish, so that should also work as insulation. Okay, let's see how we're gonna put that in. As far as you're concerned, that's for the ceiling. Don't worry guys, I gotta use you soon, hopefully next week. Okay, I'm gonna start doing this bit here. Okay, all the joints are done. Now I need to work a little bit around the plug. This is not really good. So I'll see what I can do. Yeah, that's not... I didn't cut very well. That was not a good job at all, but this is even worse. I mean, you can't have plugs like this. So... I can still put some tape here, insulation tape. I don't know exactly what's loose. The whole box? No, it's this. This is loose. But still, I don't think it's in the right position. Let's undo this and reposition again properly. Is this a lizard egg or like little eggs? Yes, lizard eggs. I'll just measure this. That's good. Okay, I will finish this off when we put the Hardiflex. Okay, now working on this side of the wall, this wall here. This is what I bought yesterday. And if I put this way all along, I think it should be okay. That should be okay. And put just one insulation tape all the way in the middle. So that will be much quicker job for sure. I'm gonna put double-sided sticky tape like some people suggested. I think it's a good idea. I'm not too sure how long they're gonna last, but because I was thinking about the glue because I want something to stick there forever. I don't want come off after, you know what I mean? But it's okay. I'm gonna use double-sided sticky tape here because it's only one opening in the middle. So, let's do that. I think Jam got some double-sided sticky tape. I don't have it. But before I do all this, I need to connect this straight in. No junction because this is now not going to be used for the aircon. It's going to be used for the water pump I got outside, and I got the circuit breaker supposed to be for the aircon. This one is 20 amps. I think 20 amps should be pretty good for the water pump. It's really nice working the veranda. Just a bit more rain in case you forgot about it. Okay, I got something cut out. I'm gonna put my double-sided sticky tape there, but I need to take that off the cable. It's on the way. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Straightforward here, but I made a mistake. I cut short. Maybe I just finish off with a sticky tape. See how we go. I'm gonna put this one here now. The top is not straight, but it'll be alright. You love me? Okay. Yeah, in any case, use double-sided insulation because I don't like this or like this. Anyway, next house maybe. But you should do double-sided. It's okay, I got another one. That's one of the best chicken JM do with the white sauce. Huh?
What sauce?
You like white sauce, don't you?
Hey!
What? Baby!
Don't
You
bother
eating
her.
well? You got rice everywhere on your plate, on your cheeks. Yeah. He's so cute, my love.
Just
You look a little Tarzan. Huh? You're gonna be an actor, I know. Yeah. Is the glass big enough? Okay. Alright, we're gonna eat, guys. I'm starving. So hot. I always have to get a 3 baths a day. Just a quick one after or before lunch so I can eat nice and clean. That's it. Oh, I just wake up from a very long nap. Wow. Let's go and see what Jam's doing. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, sit. I know she's here.
Huh? What's that?
She's tuning her new guitar. Guitar looks good.
Yeah, very cheap. Maybe I wait my father this Saturday to help me.
Because my guitar's too big for her. Wow, this is really nice and clean. Well organized.
You see that?
Sleep so much. Yeah. Ah, you done a lot of work there. Okay. This look more like a studio. It's got insulation, but still hot here. Needs an aircon. More electricity bill. Oh, you cheating me? You don't love me anymore? Look at this. Yeah, I had a very long nap. Wake up 4:30 almost. Normally go to bed at 1. By 2 I'm off. Back to work, but today no. Look at the shelf Jerry did. Improvise. I'm amazed.
Yeah. I just,
With glue?
yeah. Few seconds and finish.
Excellent. But don't put anything heavy there.
No, they're very light.
It's all cardboard and plywood. Why not?
It's very light, it's okay.
That's nice painting. Is that you, the little girl there walking?
Maybe it's portraying my.
This is nice little product. You should promote this.
Yeah, I will.
You should sell some, yeah. Okay. That would be easy to post. Oh, look at the sexy lady at the back there. Wow. Okay.
It's waiting.
Okay, I'll let you tune up the guitar. So we could bring some Hardy flags down, but we do that tomorrow morning, yeah? Okay. Alright, see you later, alligator. You too, see you later. Spooky, I saw you. Hello. I know you don't see me often. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go inside. Spooky have been accepted now. Before they give you a hard time, but especially the doggies. Now he's okay. He's part of the family. Yeah, it's been raining heaps again. It's amazing. One day we'll do the fence here when I finish the house. All around the house, all around the property anyway. I'm gonna use pipes with concrete on the floor to hold the pipes in position. I see a lot of people doing that like that now. Cheaper and faster, easier. I can do it. Bella still have your nap. Oh, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye. Oh, I got you now. I was wondering how you got here.